Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. And I apologize for not bringing videos for the last couple of days because after taking the COVID-19 vaccine, I was having high fever and body pain. Uh, right now I'm good. Okay, I'm stable right now. So I'll be bringing videos from today again. So I apologize. So let's jump to the chart then. So this is the 4 hours chart of Euro USD. Yes, I mean my favorite 4 hours time frame. And I can see that nothing much has changed in the chart of Euro USD. This black line is still acting as a severe resistance for the market. Yes. Okay. So let's do the analysis first. So as we all know, after the huge selling pressure on Monday when market took support at this price level became the temporary support for Euro USD because when heavy sell off came, almost all the support levels were gone, all the support levels were shattered, and therefore market took temporary support at this price level 1845. So this became the temporary support for the market, and right now we can see that market is just standing at this support level. On the other hand, you can see that we have got one more level mentioned here, 1.1726. This level belongs to the weekly chart that I'll be showing you. And on the other hand, we had one more important level, this 1.1970. This was the resistance for the market, or this is still the resistance for the market. Okay, this is the resistance 2. Okay. And if you can see, then this trend line is also acting as a resistance for the market. Yes, we have this level 1.1970 as the static resistance, and on the other hand we have this trend line as the dynamic resistance for the market. In your charting platform also you can draw this trend line in the 4 hours time frame, then it will be easier for you to understand the analysis. Okay. Therefore, we have got a temporary support, we have one support level far away from the weekly chart, and we have got two resistance level. Okay. First resistance level is the trend line, which is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. Second resistance is this level 1.1970. This was the high that market made in the previous week when market was trying to recover the loss. Okay, so we have got few levels here, but the sad part is that we do not have any proper support level on the chart of Euro USD. Okay. And right now you can see that market is just standing at this support level. And considering the fact that when market fell sharply, this was the level that provided support to the market, and right now market is standing at the same support level, market should bounce, is not it? But you can clearly see that market did not bounce. Market did not try to go up. Rather, market is lying flat. Rather, market is struggling to struggling to hold the current support level. Try to understand the market psychology here. Try to understand the market emotion here. Okay, market is just standing at this support level. Market is just standing at the crucial support level, but market does not have the required strength to go up. Bulls or the buyers does not have the required strength to take the market upward. So do you still think that this is the ideal position to buy? No, this is not the ideal position to buy. If market would have given us a small indication that yes, market is about to bounce or market is about to go up or reverse, then it would have been a good position to buy, or it would have been very sweet position to buy. But things have changed. Bulls does not have the power right now, and tomorrow we will have the NFP. Okay, we will have the NFP because tomorrow is the first Friday of the month, and on the first Friday we have NFP release, and at the NFP release market gets volatile. So it will be better for you to wait for the NFP release, then we will see some volatility. Okay, so right now, okay, let's jump to the chart of Euro USD again. So market does not have the strength to go up. Okay, try to understand the market psychology here. Therefore, this level is not the ideal position to buy. Now let's have a look at the weekly chart also. This is the weekly chart, and this was the level, okay, that I have marked in the form of the blue level. And right now you can see that market has formed a red candle this week. Previous week market formed a small green candle, and overall the weekly chart is not giving us any clear picture. The only thing that we can see is that market is still trying to maintain the temporary support that market has formed. Otherwise, apart from the temporary support level, we do not have any clear position or any clear level from the weekly chart. Only important level is that we have this support level, and right now that support level is quite far away from the current market price. In case there is a huge sell off tomorrow also, then market may take support at the price level, but right now that support level is not that important for us. Let's jump to the 4-hour chart and see what should be a strategy. Okay, so right now you can see the market has formed a small red candle, and market is trying to go below this support level. But still, I'll tell you that you should not short the market. You should not short the market. Rather, you should just observe the market. In case market goes up from here, okay. In case market goes up from here, and if you see market getting resistance, facing resistance from this trend line, then you can think of shorting the market, but do not expect huge profit. Okay, do not expect huge profit, just you can make some quick profit. Okay, and if you're looking for a trending market or a big move in the market, then the chart of Euro USD is not in favor. Okay, because see, this is the Forex sentiment meter. Okay. You'll find this Forex sentiment meter in my website avilashajarika.com. Okay. Just go to my website avilashajarika.com, and under the Forex 101 section you will find this Forex sentiment meter. And in the Forex sentiment meter also you can see that 28% traders have taken short position and 71% traders have taken long position. This is the sentiment meter of the retail traders, and as we all know, retail traders lose money. 90% retail traders lose money. Therefore, there is a possibility that market may go down from here, considering the considering the history, okay, history of trading. Yes, so there is a possibility that market may go down. Okay. And because only 28% have taken short position, and see, they have taken long position at 1.1952 level. They have taken long position at around this level, and they are down by huge level. Okay, so this is not the ideal position to short neither long. Okay, and if we go to the Forex heat map, okay, then you can clearly see that the Forex heat map, okay, there is not much movement in the market. See, in the 50-minute chart 0.00%, in the 30-minute chart also 0.00, in the 1 hour chart 0.02, 4 hours chart 0.00. So there is not much movement also in the market. So in a market condition like this, when things are not very clear, where things are messy, you should just avoid. It will be better for you to wait for the NFP release so that you get some good move in the market. So after the NFP release, okay, there is a possibility the market may see some good buying pressure, and if market crosses this black line, this trend line in your charting platform, then you can go for a buy order. And if market crosses this level, this support level on the downside after the NFP release, you can short the market. But right now market does not have the volatility, market does not have the movement, so how can you make money? So therefore avoid. My point is, avoid Euro USD right now. Avoid Euro USD until and unless we get the NFP report. So this is it. This is my analysis. My analysis may be different from your analysis, so please do not mind. Thank you so much. All the best.